everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I'm Nancy presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. At the BJP meeting, PM Modi asked MPs to join event to mark 2023 as per of year of millet. No prospect for serious peace talks, says UN Guterres on Ukraine war. China COVID toll concern for world given size of its GDP. Putin on extremely difficult situation as Ukraine seeks end to war. Now news in detail. Prime Minister Modi asked his party colleagues to mark 2023 as the year of the millet. PM Modi was addressing the BJP lawmaker at the parliamentary party meeting on Tuesday. The Prime Minister has been focusing on popularizing use of the grain, underlining its health benefit and how beneficial it will be for farmer as well. The PM also argued the lawmaker to ensure supporting event in their respective consistencies. He particularly spoke about the need to promote Kabaddi. The three terrorists linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba outfit were shot at on Tuesday in early morning encounter in Jammu Kashmir. Well, one of them was involved in killing of a Kashmiri Pandit, another was involved in the killing of Nepal national official said. Adding that one AK-47 rifle and two pistols were recovered from this site. The encounter began in the Manjmang area of Sofian at around 6 am. India and Indonesia on Monday accessed that the challenge faced in developing connectivity between Andaman Nicobar Island and Egg province as part of effort to boost trade and tourism between the two countries. The matter figured in the second meeting of the joint task force created by the two sides to develop connectivity between India's strategic Andaman and Nicobar Island and Egg. The meeting was held in Port Blair on Monday. UN Chief Antonio Guterres has said he believes Russia war in Ukraine will go on and does not see a prospect for serious peace talks in the immediate future. The UN Secretary General said he strongly hoped that the war would be over by the end of next year as he cited the consequences for Ukraine peoples, Russian society and the global economy if a deal is not found. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome to the Bharat. The United States hopes that China can addressing the current COVID-19 outbreak as the toll of the virus is a global concern due to the size of the Chinese economy, state development spokesperson Ned Price said on Monday. The toll of the virus is of concern to the rest of world given the size of China GDP. Given the size of China's economy, Price told a daily briefing at the department. 10 months into the Ukraine war and with no end in sight, Russian President Vladimir Putin continued to demonstrate a defined stand over the conflict amid a barrage of attack by Moscow on energy target in the war-hit country. The Russian president, in his latest remark on the conflict, said that the situation was extremely difficult in parts of the country that the Kremlin has declared as its own. The camp as Kiev called for renewal of weapon support for an end to the war. Pakistan cricket has entered into a turmoil after Captain Babar Azam refused to take field on day 2 to the third test against England as a form of protest. Babar missed the first hour of the second day with Mohammad Rizwan taking over captaincy duties intentionally. The reason behind Babar's absence was believed to be due to a headache. It was later reported that Babar was furious over the altercation he had gotten into with a security personnel while heading out for dinner the previous night and decided to stay back in the change room. All eyes were on Mrs. World 2022 Sargam Kaushal, a school teacher who turned model and then a beauty queen only to represent India at the international stage. When she got emotional after bagging the coveted title and making India proud. The win came after the long wait of 21 years after Aditi Govitrikar won the first ever Mrs. World title in the year of 2021. Vishesh moved in from the all quarter as the proud parents of the Jammu girl who dreamed big ever since she was a child talk about her journey to the news reporters. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.